Hey guys, Elvis here from Level 2 Trading. Okay, we had a better day today. A quick review. We went long. Personally, we got stopped out by quarter point on the buy. Would have been filled, I think. Ron got away with about approximately plus 200 or 250 or something like that. And we took a short term sell on the evening for a scalp. We got 7 points off of that scalp, which was pretty good. Almost perfect entry. It reached up to 48. We entered at 47. I was looking at my TOS charts, which is something internal to how I look at the charts. Um, we got a spike down. As you can see, why we closed the trade early at 40. You can see this order block here triggered that buy to the end of market, closer market. So that is why we took profits a bit early other than the signal. What we got, we want a one with risk to reward, but we trail and stop running at anyhow. Alright, tonight we're gonna be a little bit aggressive in the market because we looking at some very high probability trades. We looking to look at hard stops tonight, so make sure and change your stops on your charting system. The hard stop 7 points. Alright, what we're looking at is this deviation actually is for maths. It end up landing at 2623.5, which is exactly what was low for the day when we did the deviation calculation. Our point of control for today was 2639, which is also coincides to the push order block, and that's why we took part of the reason why we took profits there. Alright, what are we looking at for tomorrow? Let's go through recent news after market. Right now we have Apple up around $4 on results. A huge stock buyback. If you guys are able to trade 78 to 80, if you have puts to put in the market 30 days out, should be an easy trade for tomorrow till Friday. Hold until Friday, try to get some credit in. Sorry, excuse. Right. So that was Apple results. That will push the market up, in my opinion, on the open. It already had push on the after the close, so we're looking for extended push. Right. Also we had oil news where the API already said that there's a big drawdown. The market should react tomorrow if you have an ADEX account, which we don't encourage. You only trade this one time for the week. 618 confluence with a cipher pattern with a one-to-one risk to reward. We wouldn't be trading this in the open market, and we know the reasons why internally, but should be a good trade if you're testing on the platform. Just know when you're going live, you would have to pay an extra $105 in fees to trade oil and ES because they are separate markets. So, and we trade them pretty differently. Only in this case, we have confluence here, and we have confluence on the S&P, which showing us two POCs, deviation level, order block structure. So we end up at the midpoint of between 0.5 POC plus 6 points with structure, and we're looking to put the stop loss beyond these two value areas here, so we could be tripped off early as 29.65, but we're looking at 29.69 using our stops and going short for a major push. 9 points we're looking for tomorrow, which is $450. If you want, you could use a trailing stop in case we get locked up. We expect to either be tripped into that trade tonight or in the morning on oil news, and then look for the shorts. So if we're looking at trading live, we'll be starting to trade shorts around 10:30 if we don't get up to this price, but it will be same price. So that's why we put in the order as a working order with some degree of confidence. We have the one deviation way up here. We have the old POC from Monday, which is yesterday. What's it? Yeah, yesterday's POC at this point, which we realized that what was pushing us to buy at that early point on the 0.5 deviation, because we know price should have been sucked up back to that area. Last night, overnight, what I want to put in a sleeping order for is, you can see we went to value area low, just shoot off. So if you have a early position, you can hold a early position longer. Make sure and use risk management if you're doing that. So that is why we're going for a 7 to 9 risk to reward. If you want, you could use a trailing stop on this tonight. This would be signal with a trailing stop, so use a trailing stop for this. You can go for 7 to 40 to 9 as your maximum, because we're looking at this point here, which is 58. So that could carry up to 11, but we using the trailing stop to protect ourselves if we do get filled. So that is the slash ES potential oil, potential Apple trade for during the week. Think we managed a lot better today. We entered lower. We just got skunked out on the push at 1 o'clock, exactly at 1. Think that posted warning for in case if you see a breakout, but that's trading. We kind of put we stop sell tight yesterday, well today. So I hope you guys are enjoying and learning some stuff in the market, and trade small, trade smart. I see you guys in the morning. Probably might do an update video, but use this as your main trading stuff. If we go lower tomorrow, we have POC deviation level. We look at the buy 26.36 on the first instance, with stops beyond 26.30, which is Wednesday's POC from last week, in case we get a breakdown and breakthrough. So, and then one deviation if we do see bears, a lot of bears coming into the market, but we're looking for the push higher. So we are looking for essentially this move overnight, the market open, push to the upside into our kill zone, activate our trade. Put this the right way, activate our trade. As we trade is active, we manage, and then we're looking for the push to the downside. Short push, not looking for anything more than where the market we deserve from the market. We're not looking to be bullies outside here. We just want to take what the market offers us in the early going and reset if we see a secondary opportunity in the market. So that is more or less the move we're looking at for tonight. I'll be posting up this chart in this format, so you'll be able to see exactly what we're looking at in the trading day. This should be wide enough, so you'll be able to see why we're looking at this trade, why we set the stop loss. Also look at the videos that I posted, both for myself with the trading videos and the top step video. Top step video is very important on why we set trades at particular points, and if we set them, we stop at a mechanical way, if we're using a hard stop or a soft stop, and why we'll use different stops for different environments and different particular trades. Okay guys, see you in the morning. Hope you did well today, and we'll do well tomorrow. Okay, bye.